Meet Owen and Zoe. Day after day, they wake up and go through the same old routine.
I'm eating dog biscuits for a job. Your dad has me eating dog biscuits.
You know, kinda.
Biscuits for dogs.
They both work too hard.
Hey, sweetie, I have a board meeting in a couple of minutes. Can you just grab Mackenzie from daycare?
Yeah, sure thing, honey.
They need a change. And I've got just the thing. Surprise! You are now the proud owners of one rundown, worn-out circus.
This is what we always wanted.
Keep this box close. It's yours now. The secret to the circus is inside.
Old animal crackers? They're probably gross, right?
They're gross.
Ah! I'm a hamster! Holy moly, holy moly, holy moly, holy moly.
Daddy's cute.
Thank you, Angel.
How would you like to be human again?
How do these things work?
It's magic.
I don't believe
They hate it. They didn't come here to see acrobats. They didn't come here to see clowns.
animals.
I'm not a performer.
Animals, Daddy, animals.
I'm supposed to land in that?
Yeah.
That looks like a fishbowl.
Take it easy, horsey.
Oh. Oh. Left, left, left. I mean right. My right. Ah!
They say a circus is a lot like a family, but every family needs that special something that holds it all together.
Fantastic.
That's how the cookie crumbles.
Oh
Check out these specs. Look at him go. Look at him go.
How is it that he gets paid
Look
more
at
than
him
me?
go.
I don't know, honey.
Does it bother you when I'm this close?
Your breath is not great.
Yes.
This is too close.